Yo, what's up, everyone? It's Shelly, and we're back here on Webkinz today. We got a pickle. Wow, so exciting. We're here with carrot cake. I spent some time hanging out with my Webkinz yesterday. That's also why I have no food, but I was gonna check my garden today to see, hopefully, if we were ready to harvest anything. And we are, which is awesome. Springtime, walla walla wing time, ding ding. The fact that I have no food and all of this is ready right now is like, oh, okay, well, the corn is not ready, and neither is the strawberries or the tomatoes. It's so slow, it doesn't even want to. Is this ready? I don't know what it's supposed to look like. Oh, this corn is ready though. There we go. Oh, these aren't even ready either? For real? Well, that's sad. I didn't even click a crop. What's going on? What's going on? Is it lagging? I think it's lagging now. That was so weird. Okay. Let's try to feed carrot cake. Eek. I'm stressed. I'm stressed. Ah! Lechuga. Okay. Yeah, well, that's all the crops I can get right now. And then let's try the cooking class. I don't know the last time I've been asked to do a specific class. It's been a long time.
Welcome back to the Kinzville Academy. What lesson?
But I love doing this class. It's one of my favorites. I'm like so focused. I always like that job.
Good
It's
work.
fun.
Such a splendid student you're raising. I can see them really.
Hey, great to see you again. Do you want to use a wish? What are you going to wish for today?
We're gonna go for the. Ooh, someone got it. That's
Nice
so fun.
choice. Good luck.
That's so cool. Well, it's good to know that someone else has gotten that as their wish. So that makes me a little bit more hopeful.
Welcome to the Wheel of Wishes. Good luck. Whoa. See you soon.
Well, we're getting lucky getting like
Hey,
tokens
great to
almost
see
every
you
time.
again.
We're like
One more token
30
in the
away,
machine.
I think. Let's go check. That's crazy, you guys. There's a gazebo. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my god, you guys. I can't handle it. This one qualifies. I can't. That's just so cute. I'm actually like speechless right now. I didn't even know that was part of it. It's so cute. And now I just have to save up even more. Another purple plushie. So many of those.
Whoa, check it out. The customer. See anything you like, amigo?
No. No. Okay. If we get another ghost, I'm gonna be upset. Okay. I was like literally holding my breath that time. Okay, let's go to Curio Shop.
Well, if it isn't one of my extra special customers, welcome to the Curio Shop.
I need to like make a rap like about the Curio Shop. Like, welcome to the Curio Shop. You're one of my favorite customers. Like, I don't know. I don't know how I would do it. I didn't even like click through all of them. Rocket ship flooring.
Check out my special extra stock. Only available to special customers like you. Good luck finding a gem today.
Okay, I actually want to check on my. So I've been doing this stuff with, I think it's Doug, those like trading things, and I just like don't know how many gems I have, and I'm like, do I lose those gems, or it's like, do I just have to prove that I have them? Does that make sense? I'm not sure. So I'm just wondering how that really works. Ooh, we got a lemon drop.
Congratulations. Looks like you found yourself a gem. You can keep that gem for your collection and try for that legendary crown of wonder. Or I can buy it from you if you like. Let me see what I can offer. Got quite a few of these, but I can still offer you something for it.
Will I keep it?
No deal,
I think
huh?
it's a. I
Okay.
don't know why I can't.
Good
think of
luck
where
with
it is.
that collection.
It's gonna show me. Okay, it is on the bottom. It's not bad. I mean, yeah. It's not the best, but.
Well, I'll give you this prize if you trade with me. Oh well. Goodbye for now.
I literally can't do anything. Ah, they're going so fast. keep getting figures, which is so awesome. Look, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I only have 8. I think. I hope I hopefully counted right. I'm losing my sight, losing my mind. It's fine. That was not a good one. Ugh, we have like a lot of these.
Well done, you found a star. I'm always looking for stars to spell with. How about making a trade?
I'm gonna go for
Will
it.
you accept my offer? That's very kind of you.
Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna go for this one today. Sunshine, lollipops, and boom, 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 boom. Everything we're together, sunshine. Literally was thinking of Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs. The fact that it's an umbrella is so perfect. And like hopefully, I don't know how old my audience is, but me singing that brought that like vibe. I don't know if that's like the movie you associate it with, but that's what I associate it with. Okay, let's see where it was. Was it with the... It was with the weather ones. That's so cute. So cute. Like... Oh my god. Another skirt. Okay. Let's see how many pixie pops we got. 23. They're not racking up as quickly as they were. Which is okay. I'm telling you all. Like fall allergies, if I could speak, be great. Gratis. Oh, that's so like not convenient. Well, that's a very promiscuous question. Not promiscuous in a bad way, just... I feel like kids, yes, should know the answer to that question, but... Oh gosh, touch your heat. I'm gonna say... yeah, I don't know. A decibel? A debacle. Oh my gosh, I was like, I don't know why I was reading it as decibel, like, sound. Again, dyslexic. A debacle. Gotcha. It's fine. I got there. Eventually. Ooh, nice. Let's get some kids cash. Woo. Let's see. Green is not the first one. Blue is not the first one. Red is the first one. Fair. Yellow is not the second one. I'm not gonna get it. Green. Blue. We did get it. Ooh. Let's see what we get. Win 3 rolls. I've literally never gotten that card. It's crazy. This is craziness. No, that's rude. It'd be nice if I could actually land on one. Give me. Yes. And we're gonna go here. Heck yeah. Oh, we're gonna go this way. Let's see. Blue is not the first one or the second. Dang. Oh, that was such a... It was so annoying. It was so close. One space. Yes. Yes. Oh my gosh, we're like racking up the credits today. You're joking. Guys. Guys, I am very happy about that. I'm very, very pleased.
The wheel of wow!
Okay, let's see what we get. I have like 4 of this movie poster. I swear if I get another one. Oh my gosh. Look. Look. Hold on. I'll show you all. No, wait. I don't have this one. I have the other one. Guys, heck yes. Me saying that just provoked it to happen. It was fate. So what I'm really wanting to do is like buy a storage box for my movie room, which is where Carrot Cake actually, it's Carrot Cake's room, and put up these posters for like Halloween time. So like right now. So I gotta do that here soon. Did I literally just pass? I did. I know I did. Wishing well too. You're joking. It's like, do I just... I'm gonna go for Basso 3. That sucks. Ugh. Ooh, that was a good one. Really? I'm just... This is the last chance I'm giving to... Well... crazy. I wasn't gonna get it. Okay. And I had 2 from my garden. There we go. Look at that. We're getting close. Let's like look at the prices again. Alright. Cute. Trying to think. We gotta do bingos.
It's on the car. It's on the car. Now let's hold the ball.
So I am 3 away on this one actually, which is pretty good. Let's see. Let's go to the That's your concern, is that they will like your outfits. Ooh, my back hurts really bad right now. Ooh, I'm blinded by the light. Why is that apple inside a bubble? Ooh, it's kinda trippy. Ooh. Okay, let's go check out the collector room. Let me click it, please. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, now I'm gonna go check my gems. I don't know what they were earlier, but I'm gonna like look at my video footage and see if like they were.
Well, if it isn't one of my
subtracted.
extra special customers,
So let's go
welcome
check.
to the curio shop. Sorry, you've already had your turn searching for gems today. Come back tomorrow for another go.
I think. Okay, so it says I have 2, so I must have had a good amount if I was able to get them 3. So, I don't think that there's any other ones that I can do.
Welcome back. Please pick the job that you'd like to do today.
Let's go to do hamburger cook. 75 seconds. Es muy rápido. I don't like how the, like, ingredients don't make the same noise each time. Shit. I'm so close. Okay. I did
Good
it.
for you. You did really well. I'm so happy I have hard workers like you. Check the clock to see when you can do your next job.
What should I do? Should I do grocery clerk again? Kinda want to. You're gonna let me pick it up? Thank you, I appreciate. Oh? Okay. Well, that was rude. Disrespectful. I don't know why that one didn't pick up.
Good for you. You did really well. I'm so happy I have hard workers like you. Check the clock to see when...
So that's considered a medium difficulty job. Interessante. Well, that's everything that we're gonna do today. It's already like a pretty long video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I want to show you all kind of what I was talking about with the not what I was talking about with the posters. I did want to get like some storage because I don't want these just to like go back in my dock and me forget about them. So let me buy it actually before I forget. I don't know if anything will actually fit the theme of this room, unfortunately. Okay. I might do that. Oh. Might do this one because it's pretty simple. Oh, it's small. It's like tiny. I don't know if it will hold these in them or not. So let's see. I might put 2 of these up because I have like so many of them. Okay. Where is it? Where? Okay. Let's see. No. Can any of these go in here? I'm upset. I did not even do that. I don't even know what's going on. Now I'm upset. Would they be able to fit in any storage item? Let's try this one. I don't know why he keeps hopping away. Where are you going? Donde está? Okay. Ugh, they don't even fit. That's so annoying. Okay, now I'm just sad. Well, at least we know it doesn't work. But we did put up the movie posters for Halloween. So, well, thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!